Hello students. So first thing before that you need to do before installing and configuring NTP server is to set up correct time zone by using the time zone CTL command that you can get information about your current time zone. And the way we do it is time date CTL grep and then in quotes time zone, and it'll give you the time zone that is currently set up. Like on my machine, although it's incorrect, I'm not in that time zone, but that's what's set up by default when you install a new CentOS machine. So you need to decide which time zone you want to use. I would recommend using UTC, or Universal Time Clock, as a time zone. Some servers are configured to a particular time zone, like mine is right now, but you should use UTC. That has more accurate time. So it will have some downsides, especially when you have to translate output of date command to your local time zone. Then of course you have to switch or subtract hours or add hours depending on where you are in order to translate to where your local time is. So in order to set the time zone as UTC, we're gonna execute this command: time date CTL set time zone, and then all caps UTC. If you want to stick to your local time zone, you can use replace UTC in command to one of the options from this command. So like you'll type a date, time date CTL set time zone. In my case, I will do America / Chicago. I'm in the central time zone. Okay, now my time zone is set. And if I were to run this command again, you can see my time zone is set to Chicago. But I want to go back to the UTC time zone. And let's check again. And I'm UTC now.